In this video, we are going to show you how to remove and replace your IBT belt assembly for the Xerox Ultralink C81 model. We'll start with opening the front cover. Next, we'll remove the auger system. Next, we're going to have 4 screws. 1 screw here, 1 screw here, 1 screw here, and 1 screw here. Total 4 screws. Once you have those 4 screws off, you'll go ahead and remove this cover like so. We'll go ahead and open up our side door here, and we'll make sure this screw is off and this screw is off. You're going to pull. Then once you get to the handle, you'll pull the handle like so. And then with your other hand, you'll grab from right here and you'll pull the feed unit all the way out. Now to install, we're just going to carry reverse. We'll make sure we line it up and slide it in there. Once you get the handle in there, this will go down like so, and you'll push right in. Add your screw there, add your screw there, and we'll reverse the process.